Hi guys, it's Janet here with a quick tip for you featuring the new foil paper that will debut on February 16th as a celebration option. So let's take a look at that foil paper. It was used to create the elements on these two cards here. The foil paper is a 12 by 12 paper. Here you can see this print here is silver and gold. Then there is copper dots. There is the beautiful silver striped copper flowers, which is where our elements came from. So let's take a look here for just a minute at altering this and how easy it is. This paper is a little unusual from our other foil papers in that the paper in between the foiling is glossy. So it's going to color and it's going to work just like glossy cardstock, which means that it is perfectly suited for working with our beautiful alcohol markers, the Stampin Blends marker. So you're going to be able to color and do some fun things with it. One of the things, though, is that the alcohol markers do dry very quickly on this paper. And so you're not going to necessarily be able to get all of the shading that you're used to doing and the blending because, again, it's drying almost as it's hitting that surface. And so you're not going to necessarily have that same opportunity. So you're going to kind of have to work it just a little bit quicker, and literally you're layering the colors one on top of the other instead of blending them. Another thing is as I work with it, I like to treat it like embossed resist and just give it a little bit of a rub to go ahead and see if I can get that color up there for you. There you go. Pretty sunshine coming in this morning. So it's going to be a little bit more challenging there for you. So let's go ahead and, and then the other thing, you probably saw this already, but let's pull this one in for just a second. Of course, then you can also use your brush tips on these to go ahead and just add and fill in. Let's work on an edge down here. I'm going to be able to just kind of fill in a whole section if I want. And let's just kind of come in here. I want green behind all of this. And I've got this laid on its side. It's at an angle. It might be hard to see there. I'm preserving the tip. I'm not using the tip at all. I'm just working with it on its side. And so I'm going to be able to then come in like a resist, give it a good rub, and now it's going to pop between and it's all dry. Okay, so you're going to be able to do some fun coloring like that as well too, and add some fun elements and stuff. So we'll be putting that on a tag. So let's go back and let's look at these two cards for just a second. So this card here, again, was fussy cut. I used the light and dark crumb cake Stampin Blends on this one. I love all of the tans and the browns and just a hint of copper happening on this one. This one we use a large area of copper, and this one was embossed with this beautiful basket weave folder. The basket weave folder will also be part of a bundle that will be available as a level 2 offering. New this year with Sale-a-bration, we had level 1 offerings and level 2. You could have level 1 offerings for every $50 you spend. A level 2 offering was with a $100 offer. If you don't want to wait and place a $50 or $100 order to get this product, it can be added to a demonstrator starter kit right now, and I can talk to you about that and explain that to you. But head on over to my blog, remarkablycreated.com, to see these cards up close, to see the supply list, all the details used, and products used for making them, as well as I am doing a daily giveaway up until Valentine's, so come on over and leave a comment on my blog and have your chance and then see who our latest daily winner is. So thanks for watching, guys.